are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a bento mom. I make fun and creative lunch boxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking. And I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So happy weekend, guys! As you have all seen in my thumbnail, we're gonna do an unboxing video today. So just a brief backgrounder. Pre-pandemic, one of our hobbies ni Bento Daddy is actually collecting Funko Pops. So Funko Pops are actually toy figurines made of vinyl. So as you can see on the screen, those are examples of Funko Pops. And just right on top of our lamp here, yan, example yan ng Funko Pops. So there is a very wide range of Funko Pop characters, but we mostly focus on the music icons. So yung example na yan, just right on top of the lamp, are actually Kurt Cobain Funko Pops. And yung i-unbox natin today are actually Funko Pops of the very popular and trending group today. So I'm sure you all know them. And for the past few days, we've been doing bento creations of characters that were created by this very popular character, BTS. So we're not really part of the BTS army. So hindi kami really die-hard fans. But we like them. And we think that the Funko Pops of the BTS are a collector's item. They already released first batch ng BTS na Funko, I think last year. So here's the screen. That was the very first batch ng BTS na Funko. So we weren't able to get it, but they're more popular now than ever. So when they release this second batch, this is the Dynamite na Funko Pop ng BTS. So later you will see it pag na-unbox na natin. Alright, so we're gonna start unboxing now. So these Funko Pops of the BTS, yung Dynamite na version, I actually bought from Hobby Stock. So Hobby Stock online, yung shop nila in Shopee, and then they're also in Lazada. So you're wondering why there are two boxes here. So the smaller box, so itong smaller box are actually two Funko Pops, and then the bigger box is 5 naman yung laman niya. So the reason why is because I ordered first sa kanilang Shopee na store. So the available na BTS characters sa Shopee store nila during the time that I ordered was only 5 characters. So I didn't know na sa Lazada pala kumpleto yung characters ng BTS na meron sila. So yung missing na dalawa sa Lazada ko kinuha, kaya magka-separate sila. So, you're wondering, sinong faster na mag-deliver? Lazada actually yung nauna. But, I was also scared because this is the first time that I ordered Funko Pops online. And, as you can see, they're very well packaged. Pero, sama-sama natin siyang buksan because I really don't know the state of the item inside. Okay? So, I'll just get my scissors kasi nakahulog siya. Ayan. So, let's start with a smaller box. Again, Hobby Stock Collectibles, yung name ng store. Ayan, there. So, they have a Facebook account, they have Instagram, and they also have a website. Ayan. So, just check them out. So, this is the first box. Ayan. So, yung packaging nila, again, is really excellent. Merong bubble wrap. And then, isa-isa ding nakabox yung Funko Pops. So, let's see who this one is. Hindi talaga sila yung unang shop na nakitaan ko nung BTS na Funko Pop. I actually saw it first in another store. But then when I was supposed to order it sold out na agad. So, yung mga ARMY, ang bibilis nila, ubos na agad yung stock ng BTS na Dynamite na Funko. Ayan. So, naka-bubble wrap siya inside as well. So, may bubble wrap outside and then it also has a bubble wrap inside. So, we'll open it. I'm so excited. Because I like them. I really like them. They're really good in performing in BTS. But as I've said, we're not really die-hard fans, but we like them. Oh, and they already have boss protectors or protectors. Ayan. So this one is Jimin. So, hindi ko siya i-open, guys, because this is, as I've said, part of our collection and collector's item. So, maybe in the, next few years or in the future, who knows, baka tumaas na yung price niya, but, yeah, it's really nice. So, we're the type of collectors na hindi kami nag-unbox ng Funko Pops. Kasi there are collectors who do unbox it. They're called OOB collectors or out-of-the-box collectors. So, yeah. And I didn't really expect that hobby stock will include the protector, but it has a protector. So, I'll show you. Ayan siya. So, apart from the box, inside, meron siyang protector. So, this is Jimin. So, later, I'll show them to you one by one. Okay? Kung ano yung itsura niya. And then, okay, the next one. So, ngayon na ako nag-unboxing video, guys. I think. No, I think I did a haul before na, but it's for bento items. So, be careful when unboxing because, as I said, this is a collector's item, so we need to make sure that we treat it with care when we're opening the items. So, I decided to share this unboxing video because I know there are a lot of BTS fans out there, and you probably might want to see first how the items will look like before you buy it. So I think most stores are out of stock of this BTS Funko Pops, but there are a lot of stores who sell Funko Pops. Some now are doing pre-orders. So again, it has a bubble wrap. Yeah, this is the very, very famous of all the BTS characters tuloy. This is a very, very famous of all sa BTS group. Sino to? It's Jungkook. So again, meron siyang protector. So it's actually a protector ng hobby stock because may brand siya dito ng hobby stock. And it's thick as well. So, kung nag-worry kayo na mag-order online ng Funko Pops, don't worry because they package it really well. And walang damage. Ayan. So, here. So, lagay lang natin yung palette here. Now, we're gonna be unboxing the big one. Here. Ayan. So, tanggalin muna natin yung bubble wrap. So, later, I'll show you a close-up look of each na BTS na Funko Pop character. Okay? there inside. So as you can see naman, very, very secured yung packaging. So again, still each one or each of the Funko Pop is inside the hobby stock na box. So kudos to hobby stock for their very, very secured the packaging. Excellent ang kanilang packaging. And the delivery was actually very, very fast as well. So I think 3 days sa Shopee and then sa Lazada, it just took I think 2 days na bago siya ma-deliver. So, this is the third one. This one is JHope. So, isa-isa ko na lang muna siyang i-remove from the box and then later I'll show you how they look like. So we'll just remove them from the bubble wrap. Ayan. So we've already removed them. Meron silang numbers, so I'm just arranging them from 218, 19, 20, 21, 22. So, ayan siya. There. So from 218 RM, 219 si Jin, 220 Suga, 221 JHope, 222 Jimin, 223 V, and 224 si Jungkook. Yan. So I'll show you yung close-up nila each. So here are all the characters. RM, Jin, Suga, JHope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. So let's take a closer look at each one of them. that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our unboxing video. If you did, please like and share. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Happy weekend. See you in my next vlog. Bye.